Nasa 12 to 15,000 pesos umano ang laman ng apat na envelopes na natanggap ni Department of Education Director 4 at dating Bids and Awards Committee Chairperson Attorney Resty Osias mula sa tanggapan ng nooy DepEd Secretary na si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay Attorney Osias, nangyari ito mula April hanggang September 2023. Ang pahayag na ito ng opisyal sa pagdinig ng House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability sumusuporta sa testimonya ni dating DepEd Undersecretary Gloria Mercado na unang humarap sa komite noong September 25.
I must say I did, but I didn't know because I was new in the department. I thought it was a practice of the department. I thought, the very first time I encountered that matter, sir, was sometime in April of 2023. I didn't know I was summoned to the office of ASEC Shine, and then I was given an envelope, and it was later on I found out that there was money in it, but it was not because I was a back member or whatever yet, because I was not at that time.
Sinilip rin ng mga kongresista ang isinumiting certification ng DepEd sa ilalim ng dating kalihim na si VP Sara upang i-justify ang 15 million pesos na halaga ng confidential expenses nito. Partikular na ang certification para sa Armed Forces of the Philippines-led event na Youth Leadership Summit kahit na wala namang ginastos sa DepEd confidential funds dito. Sinita ng Commission on Audit o COA noong February ang 15 million pesos na halaga na dapat pambayad sa mga informant dahil ito sa kakulangan ng kaukulang dokumento.
Sinabi din ni General Memfin, balikan ko si General Memfin, sabi niyo po General, wala talagang gastos ang DepEd dito?
To
You
be clear,
stated that kanina.
because I was asked if the confidential funds is used for the conduct of wireless, so it's clear that no funds is downloaded or given to the Philippine Army for the use of the conduct of wireless, but if confidential fund is given
General,
to informers
that
of
is tantamount to saying na walang gastos ang DepEd sa inyo. When you said that they did not or DepEd did not download any fund to the military. Tama?
That's correct, Your
So,
Honor.
Mr. Chair, I am very much surprised, but let me wrap up and make this manifestation before I yield to the other members of the committee. While we believe that these certifications were submitted to justify the 15 million that were allegedly paid as reward to informers, now all the officers from the AFP, that includes General Memfin, the USEC for Administration, are stating that the DepEd did not utilize any of its confidential fund in support of the Youth Leadership Summit.
Alam ko rin na ginagamit nyo lang yun para i-justify yung expenditure nyo ng confidential fund ng Department of Education. Di ba? You just use that to justify your liquidation of the fund.
Ang participation ko po ay naganap nung ako po ay OIC for Finance kasi at that time, nung na-receive namin yung AOM. And we had to respond to the AOM. And so because we had to respond to the AOM, I had to get all the documentation that COA was asking for po through that AOM.
Samantala, bahagya namang nagkatensyon sa pagdinig ng akusahan ng isang kongresista ang isang dating DepEd official ng paghingi ng komisyon para sa pagtatayo umano ng school buildings. Ayon kay Surigao del Sur 2nd District Representative Johnny Pimentel, nang hingi umano ng kickback si dating DepEd Undersecretary Epimaco Densing kapalit ng pagpapatuloy ng school building projects sa kanilang distrito. Ang aligasyong ito mariing pinabulaanan ni Densing.
That is the reason why, Mr. Chair, this person was taken out of DepEd because of his anomalous practices in DepEd. Yun po ang katotohanan niyan. You have been doing the rounds para ka nagbebenta ng isda. Inaalok mo sa lahat ng congressmen ang allocation ng school buildings asking for a commission.
Well, it's a blatant lie asking for commission. And that's the very reason I'm process-oriented.
Lumikha ito ng bahagyang tensyon dahilan upang suspindihin sandali ang pagdinig.
Dapat huwag ka nang bumalik sa gobyerno. The government does not need your kind. You are a very corrupt person making your position to your advantage.
Parehong tatakbong gobernador sa Surigao del Sur, sina Pimentel at Densing. Rosa Licoz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.